Guys, join me in the kitchen. Let's go ahead and make some sago pudding. For me, it's one of those comforting childhood memories. I remember enjoying it every time my mom made it, especially when I was not feeling very well. It was a little treat to look forward to. So I first started by measuring up my sago and then adding it to a pot of boiling water. Just keep stirring it just to ensure it does not stick. When it gets to this stage where it's almost translucent, I went ahead and I strained it out and I rinsed it through with cold water to remove the excess starch. Then I returned it back to the saucepan and added milk and continued to cook it until it's fully translucent. You want to keep the heat very low to ensure that it does not burn. For sweetening, I am adding some condensed milk, but here you could also use brown sugar, whatever you prefer. I went in with some almond essence for that added taste and just continued cooking until I got to my desired thickness. Then I emptied it in a bowl, let it cool in the refrigerator, and it's time to go ahead and serve. I chopped up some strawberries, layered it into a bowl, and then spooned over the sago pudding. Then I added some pieces more on top for garnish and drizzled over with some condensed milk. Here you could also use mangoes, whatever is in season or whatever flavor you prefer. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And leave a comment below on what you think of this recipe. Until next time, happy eating!